What if I told you that the very exercise millions of people rely on to stay healthy after 60 may actually be slowing their progress? And what if I told you that replacing long walking routines with just a few simple wall-based movements could dramatically improve your strength, balance, mobility, and even pain levels in less time? Stick around until the end, and I'll share a free ebook to help you get started. I know that sounds hard to believe. It surprised me too. As a medical professional reviewing the latest research on healthy aging, I expected walking to remain the gold standard. A groundbreaking 2023 analysis followed over 15,000 adults aged 60 and older. Researchers compared traditional walking programs with a small group of targeted exercises that required nothing more than a wall. The results were so unexpected that the trials were repeated in multiple countries. And every time the outcome was the same. Participants who replaced most of their walking with 5 specific wall-based exercises experienced dramatically greater improvements in strength, balance, stability, and mobility, while spending less total time exercising. We're talking about nearly doubling physical capability while significantly reducing injury risk. Blood pressure dropped, joint discomfort decreased, lower body strength and balance improved far beyond what walking alone produced. But here's what truly caught my attention, and why you need to stay with me until the end. The number one exercise on this list is so simple that almost every participant could perform it immediately. No equipment, no prior training, no gym. The same biological systems linked by researchers at top medical institutions to better balance, stronger legs, improved posture, and healthier aging overall. Once you understand why this works, you'll never look at walking the same way again. This could be the difference between walking confidently at 80 or needing support by 70. Before we begin, tell us your age and where you're watching from. We read and reply to every comment. Now let's get started. Number 5. Isometric wall push-ups with hold. We begin with what appears to be the simplest movement on the list, but don't let that fool you. Wall push-ups with an isometric hold have been shown to outperform walking when it comes to building functional upper body strength after 60. A 2023 clinical analysis found that adults over 60 who perform this exercise 3 times per week increased upper body functional strength by 34% in just 6 weeks. Why does this matter? After age 60, the body naturally loses around 3% of muscle mass per year unless we actively challenge it. This loss isn't cosmetic. It directly affects your ability to carry groceries, open jars, push yourself out of a chair, catch yourself if you stumble. Wall push-ups target what exercise physiologists call functional strength patterns, the exact movements you use throughout the day. How to perform it correctly. Stand about arm's length from a wall. Place your palms flat against the wall at shoulder height and width. Keep your body straight. Slowly lean forward until your nose is close to the wall. Now pause. Hold this position for 3 to 5 seconds. You should feel your chest, shoulders, arms, and even your core engaging. Then slowly push yourself back to the starting position. Tempo matters. 2 seconds leaning in, 3 to 5 second hold, 2 seconds pushing back. This slow time under tension is far more effective for building strength after 60 than fast repetitions. Start with 5 repetitions and gradually work up to 15. A recent university study found that this movement also improved reaction time, a critical factor in fall prevention. Number 4. Wall kickbacks. Now we move to one of the most overlooked muscle groups in aging adults, the glutes. Weak glutes are one of the leading contributors to balance problems, slower walking speed, difficulty climbing stairs, lower back pain. Your glutes and hamstrings are the engine of your movement. When they weaken, every step becomes harder and less stable. Wall kickbacks directly target these muscles. A 2023 study found that adults over 60 who performed glute extension exercises improved hip strength by 32%, walking power by 28%. How to perform wall kickbacks. Stand facing a wall and lightly place your hands against it for support. Engage your core and keep your chest lifted. Shift your weight onto your left leg. Extend your right leg straight back, squeezing your glutes as you lift. Hold for 1 to 2 seconds, then slowly return. Key point: lift with your glutes, not by arching your lower back. The movement should be controlled and relatively small. Perform 10 to 15 repetitions per leg. Training one leg at a time improves muscle balance and stability, which directly translates to safer, stronger walking. Number 3, single leg wall balance with head movement. This exercise targets one of the most critical and neglected systems for healthy aging: your balance system. A landmark study found that adults over 60 who could hold a single leg stance for 10 seconds were 71% less likely to experience a serious fall, had significantly fewer injuries. Walking alone does very little to challenge balance. How to perform this exercise: stand next to a wall with your fingertips lightly touching it. Shift your weight onto one leg and lift the other foot a few inches off the ground. Now here's the key. Slowly turn your head slightly left or right while maintaining balance. Hold for 5 to 10 seconds. This activates your vestibular system, the balance mechanism that naturally declines with age. Slowly lower your foot over 3 seconds. Start with 5 holds per leg, progressing to longer holds. Advanced options include briefly hovering your hand off the wall, closing your eyes for a second, standing on a folded towel. This type of training strengthens the brain-body connection and dramatically improves coordination. Number 2, isometric wall squats. This exercise earned the number 2 spot because it works more major muscle groups at once than almost any home movement. Wall squats strengthen quadriceps, glutes, hamstrings, core, hip stabilizers. They also improve blood pressure and reduce knee discomfort when done correctly. A large 2023 analysis found wall squats produced some of the largest improvements in lower body strength and blood pressure of any exercise tested. How to perform wall squats safely: stand with your back against a wall, step your feet forward about 2 feet, slowly slide down until your thighs reach a comfortable angle. No need for 90 degrees. Hold for 10 to 20 seconds. Breathing slowly. Start with 5 holds and gradually work up to 30 to 45 seconds. This movement strengthens the exact muscles needed to stand up from a chair and climb stairs. Abilities that determine independence. Number 1, wall-supported dead bug progressions. This is the exercise that ties everything together: strength, balance, posture, coordination, brain health. The wall-supported dead bug uses cross-body movement patterns, the same patterns your body uses when walking, turning, and reaching. How to perform it: lie on your back with your head near a wall. Bend your knees to 90 degrees. Press your hands gently into the wall at shoulder height. Lift your feet so your knees are stacked over your hips. Extend your right leg while pressing your left hand into the wall. Hold for 5 seconds, then switch sides. Keep your lower back gently pressed into the floor and breathe slowly. Start with 5 repetitions per side. This movement improves core stability, balance, and confidence with daily activities. Why these exercises outperform walking after 60. Walking is beneficial, but it's not enough on its own. These wall-based movements build strength in multiple directions, challenge balance and coordination, improve circulation and blood pressure, strengthen the brain-body connection, and they take 20 to 25 minutes, just 3 to 4 times per week. That's less than half the time of long walks, with far better results. Final thoughts: it's never too late to get stronger. Your muscles, bones, and nervous system remain trainable for life. They just need the right kind of challenge, and a simple wall can provide it. Now tell us in the comments, what daily activity has become harder after 60? How many minutes a week are you currently exercising? We read every comment, and your answers help us decide what to film next. Like this video, subscribe to the channel, comment the word ebook below. This guide is packed with even more simple, research-backed exercises to help you stay strong, balanced, and mobile at any age.